Hi. Today I'll show how to set up Facebook conversion API tagging only server side, and you can see my yeah, even quality score is too much high. And today I'll show how to set up this type of tracking. Okay, so let's start and let's go on my browser container. And this is my browser container here. I'm sending Facebook parameters through GA4, and you can see my this view and you can see my events parameter. Like I'm also sending user data because it's important to in case Facebook event match quality. So you can see and also check view item, then check out and purchase. And from this code, I'm collecting user data from local stores and sending to Facebook. Okay. So now let's check on server container, and this is my server container tag. It's normal as well. Okay. So let's check on preview mode. Let's show it. It's fired, and you can see the Facebook is coming, and you can see my outgoing HTTP request from server, and you can see my all data, which is going to Facebook. Okay, and you can see it's coming. Now check again for view item, add to cart, check out, and you can see view item, add to cart, all data. Like this is user informations like user first name, last name, email, phone, and it's going to hashed type. Okay, so let's fill up and purchase it. Okay, it's done and it's coming here. You can see and okay, also coming here. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching.